Hi everyone, this is Mona from Ursalink Technology. I am a field application engineer. I'm so glad to be here, and now I'm going to introduce you to today's topic: transform legacy monitoring solution into LoRaWAN. Basically, I will use temperature and humidity solutions in different application scenarios. And now let me introduce some of the devices I will use today. AM100 is a small and elegant sensor for indoor environment monitoring. It includes motion, humidity, temperature, illumination sensors. Yes, all in one. Also, you can see it has an e-ink screen design, which makes it very practical and energy saving. You can even use NFC to configure or turn it on and off. This is a very user-friendly design, easy and convenient. We also have UC11T1 for outdoor use because of its robust case. As you can see, it has a IP67 protection level. The same as AM100, our EM500 series sensors support NFC configuration too. I would like to especially mention EM500 PT100, which has a wide measurement range between negative 200 Celsius to positive 800 Celsius, and it can be customized to be mounted on almost any surfaces, horizontal, vertical, or even tilt surfaces. It can also be mounted on any vibrating machines or dangerous scenarios. All the sensors I mentioned just now are LoRaWAN sensors, but you may ask, what about my legacy sensors? My legacy sensors doesn't work in this LoRaWAN network. That's true, but don't worry. Our UC11N1 sensor node can do the work. It can easily help to convert your legacy sensors into LoRaWAN with multiple interfaces, including serial ports RS485, RS232, analog input, and digital input, and one sensor node will be the best choice to convert your solution into LoRaWAN by not replacing any existing equipment. For more details of each device, you can find more from our website. Okay, imagine now we are going to deploy a temperature and humidity monitoring solution inside a museum, let's say. As you know, one of the most fundamental and critical tasks in a museum is to monitor its environment in order to maintain all the items in perfect status. Yes, it is essential to have a system in place that maintains accurate and reliable data for temperature and humidity. When the collection of the environmental data is done manually, it consumes a great deal of time and can be challenging. Therefore, with an up-to-date monitoring system that is automated, museums can be confident to maintain a safe place for rare and valuable items. Now I will start hands-on work for you. I will share you how to configure AM100 to the Things Enterprise stack. I will show you how to configure AM100 onto the Things Enterprise stack with a Ursalink Indoor Gateway UG85 as an example. So now enter Packet Forwarder, and in General tab, we can see the general setting of the Packet Forwarder program. First, we need to disable the Ursalink localhost, which is the local network server, like this, and save. And then we need to create another type. Before, we may use Semtech or TTN to use TTN's other services, but today we are going to use Basic Station to connect to TTN's The Things Enterprise stack. And now we're going to fill in the URI and CA trust, and I have already imported it, so that's safe. Save and apply. Okay. In radios, we can see that this gateway is using EU868. Okay, back to the console. In the gateway, we can see that this gateway is connected now. and it's updating, yes, seconds ago. If we want to create a gateway, let's click here and choose a name, ID, EUI for it. Here, in the gateway server address, this is what we put in the URI here, but with a WSS prefix. Okay, now, enough for this. We're going to head into the applications. Here, I've already created an application named Ursalink. Inside, we got a device. We got a AM100 here, and it's added 6 hours ago. Here in the data, we can see that it's uplinking just now. Here, I'm going to read. The humidity is 96, I'm sorry. The temperature is 23.6. Okay, mark this. This is the RS, and this is the AM100 I'm going to read. With a phone that has NFC area, which is here, I'm going to place it near the NFC antenna. Oh, it just indicated. And then click on the red here, and then put the NFC area near the device. Okay. Yes, it got it. And the temperature and humidity are exactly the same as I just read from the enterprise stack. Just a quick question for you at the end of this section. Are your legacy systems holding you back? I understand that your legacy monitoring solutions may be unable to provide insight through cloud services, may cost too much time, energy, or money in maintenance, or may even lack relevant components that are already end of life. You may take my advice into consideration. It is time to transform. I say transform, not replace. Transform your legacy monitoring solution into LoRaWAN with me. And I hope my speech inspires you today. If you got any questions, I and my colleague Chris are very willing to discuss with you in the Q&A part. See you!